Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart or XAGUSD chart, and as I told you in my previous analysis that we did have this channel broken to the upside here. We entered the buy position, we did put our stop loss below this candle, and we were looking for our risk to reward too, and it gives us something around 7.5 somewhere here, which is really nice. And also right now on the 1 hour time frame, if we check if we have anything or not, we don't have anything special. But in bigger time frames like daily time frame, the price is actually strongly going to the upside, and the most important resistances in front of the price are, let's go to the weekly time frame that we can see better, are the ones on actually the most near one is on 26.9, the other one is on 28.8, the other level is 29.9 to 30.2. You know, if we see some nice candles on these resistances, we can enter sell positions. If we see some nice candles on them, like this kind of candle, or a pin bar like this green candle here, and the time frame is not important. We can enter on any time frame we like, but for more safety I don't recommend to enter in 1 minute or 5 minute time frames. Instead I recommend you enter on 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame. Let's check other time frames to see if we have anything or not. On the live market, let me clean it. On the live market, we did have a trend line here broken like this one, and when you see that shadow there, you extend it, it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it of course gives us our reward too. But right now, do we have anything special or not? The price is falling in lower time frames, but in bigger time frames it's strongly going to the upside. Okay, two different trends in different time frames. And you know, we have a actually resistance here, which is right now which the price didn't react to this level and broke it. I think it is making a pullback to this level. If we can draw something like this one, you know, it breaks this level here, it is making a pullback to this level. You know, the price is going up, we might touch that and again start falling from there. And this is the scenario in 5 minute time frame. If you see some nice candles here, a nice rejection, a nice red candle, we can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles there, and look for our risk to reward too. In 1 minute time frame, let's see what do we have. Actually, we don't have anything special. The price is actually, let's see what is going on here. You know, we can imagine a trend line like this one here too, you know. Oh my god. I don't enter these kind of, you know, breakouts to the upside. Why? Because the trend line is to the upside. Okay, it's not like this one. Look, it is not like this one. Okay, and you know, the trend line is to the upside and it is breaking to the upside. It's not nice for me. We might see this candle a shadow, and after that the price starts falling. You know, that scenario can happen too. Okay, it was all about today's analysis. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and take a look at there. If you are interested in learning trading and making money in these markets, forex and crypto. Also, you know, I will analyze the yesterday's positions on 5-minute time frame I took, and you can watch them and learn from them. Okay, let's go to the next part. Guys, if you didn't like the video, please do it and subscribe to the channel to get updated every day, and also leave me a comment about your ideas on silver and XAGUSD. And on the first position we did have this trend line, okay, like this, broken here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3. On the second position we did have this trend line with 1-2 touches. On the third time it was broken here. We could risk here, enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here, or even safer, or very safer here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward somewhere here. On the third position we did have this trend line broken here, and it made this pullback, but I did enter here. We could also put our stop loss below this candle here, or even here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around reward 6. And also it was we did have a trend line. If we have missed this one here, we could also enter this one here too. You know, when you see those shadows there, you extend it, and again until you see this candle breaks it, we can enter here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and wait for the market to give us our reward. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line. It was like this. It was broken here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.5. On the last position of yesterday we did have this compression here, or trend line, with 1, 2, 3 touches, 4 touches. On the 5th time it was broken here, somewhere here. We could risk here, enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward somewhere here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and this part. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about silver and XAGUSD on the next days. Okay, thank you and bye bye.